So it's just going to be starting with that.
You're fine.
You're fine. So first, I'm going to give everybody a red, a green, and a yellow crown. Hold close to red, because it's not that many in here. And I'll explain what we're going to do with them. So everyone, can you flip to the poems? I think they're in the second one, after the first story, I think, in the benchmark. That couldn't be done and be the best of whatever you are. Is it the first one? You see them? They're right next to each other. One more page.
If you want to start reading them together, I'll see some technical people can come.
Alright, so we're gonna read It Couldn't Be Done first. Does anyone want to start reading it? You can read the first paragraph of it, okay?
Somebody said that it couldn't be done, but he
Yes, please.
chuckled and replied that maybe it couldn't be. He would be one who would say so till he tried. So he buckled right in with the trace of a grin on his face. If he worried he hid it. He started to sing as he tackled the thing that could be done and he didn't.
Okay. Anybody else want to read the next paragraph? Tia?
Somebody snored. Oh, you would never do that. How you shouldn't have done it. But he took off his coat and took off his hat. And the first thing he knew, he got it. When it ripped off his chin and a bit of his arm without any doubt or couldn't he started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done if he did.
Okay, I'll read the last part. There are thousands to tell you it cannot be done. There are thousands to prophesy failure. There are thousands to point out to you one by one the dangers that wait to assail you. But just buckle it in with a bit of a grin. Just take off your coat and go to it. Just start to sing as you tackle a thing that couldn't be done, and you'll do it. So now can you flip to, we can do the question, should we read the next one before we do the question?
I would.
Okay, so now we're going to read the next one. Be the best of whatever you are. Does anyone want to start? Want to start again?
If you came on the top of the hill, be a squirrel in the valley, but be the best little squirrel by the side of the road. Be a bush if you can't reach. Be a bush. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass, and some highway happiness
gave you the crowns. So with the green ones, I want you to circle the questions or the answer to the questions that you think you have 100% right, like total right answer. And I want you to circle in orange or yellow. If you think it's right, what kind, what is it, Tina?
So we always circle.
That's okay, you can just circle it again with the crown. If you think it's kinda right, just circle it with orange or yellow. And if you guessed, like, you had no idea what the answer was, circle it in red, okay? So we do that and then we'll go over the questions.
Can you write that on the board?
You want me to write it on the board? Okay.
How would you know if you got it 100% right? What should you be able to find in the poem?
Like, does that say what?
The what?
Is that consequence?
Maybe context clues, but what do we always ask you to do? Prove your answer. So when you read that first question and you look at what you picked, then go into the poem and see if you have proof for that, and that will help you determine what color you should circle it. If you don't have proof, you can't know it's 100% right. So look at that first one and then look back in the poem and see if you still like your answer and whether or not you proved it or you just guessed.
Circle the number?
Circle the number or the letter, whichever you want to do. You can circle the number, just so you know for the color, because then we'll use that for after when we go through to find the right ones.
And if you hit that plus arrow at the top, it will zoom in. Did you look at the first one?
Did everyone circle all their questions?